If you're looking to improve your security hygiene and stay ahead of potential threats, Tenable is a powerful tool that can help you safeguard your systems effectively. In this quick video, I'll explain how Tenable can transform your security practices and give you a clear edge in identifying vulnerabilities. By the end, you'll have the insights you need to use it more efficiently, and yes, there's a way to try it completely free from the link below with exclusive bonuses. Let's dive into the first key benefit. Tenable helps you get a clear, comprehensive view of your entire network security status. Whether you're looking to assess vulnerabilities, monitor compliance, or keep up with real-time alerts, Tenable's platform gives you everything in one place, so you never miss a critical update. Next, Tenable offers an easy-to-understand risk scoring system. Rather than getting bogged down by overwhelming data, Tenable simplifies it by assigning risk scores to vulnerabilities. This helps prioritize which threats need to be addressed first, so your team can focus on what really matters without wasting time. The third thing Tenable does really well is vulnerability management. It's not just about finding flaws, it's about fixing them quickly. With automated scanning and deep insights into the risks, you can act faster to patch vulnerabilities, reducing the chances of an attack before it can happen. Now, onto the fourth thing that's crucial for improving your security hygiene. Tenable continuously tracks your security posture across devices and systems. It helps ensure that, even after vulnerabilities are fixed, your network remains secure by continuously monitoring for new threats. Fifth, Tenable's integration with other tools makes it a seamless addition to your existing security stack. Whether you're using a SIEM, security information and event management solution, a ticketing system, or any other security tool, Tenable integrates effortlessly, ensuring all your security systems work together without any gaps. Next up, Tenable's reporting tools give you an edge when it comes to compliance. If you're working to meet specific regulatory requirements, Tenable can generate detailed reports that track your compliance status in real time, so you know exactly where you stand and what actions need to be taken. The seventh benefit is its scalability. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Tenable adapts to your needs, growing alongside your business. It offers flexible solutions for both small teams and large organizations, making it suitable for anyone looking to enhance their security hygiene. The eighth thing you should know is how Tenable enhances your team's efficiency. By automating many aspects of security hygiene, your team can focus on high-value tasks rather than getting bogged down by manual processes. Tenable's intuitive interface also makes it easy for anyone, regardless of technical expertise, to understand and manage the system. Lastly, Tenable not only helps you track vulnerabilities, but also provides you with predictive analytics. This means you can anticipate potential issues before they arise, allowing you to be proactive rather than reactive when it comes to securing your infrastructure. Remember, you can try Tenable completely free from the first link in the description, with some exclusive bonuses to kickstart your security journey. So, don't miss out on this opportunity. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how Tenable can help improve your security hygiene. Whether it's simplifying risk management, enhancing team efficiency, or ensuring continuous monitoring, this tool has everything you need to stay ahead of threats. Plus, with our exclusive extended free trial, you can get started today without any commitment.